Run, get your science book. We're going to finish the last couple pages. Ready? We're going to be on page 83 today. 83. Seagulls. And I included a little video clip about seagulls so you can watch that and you can hear the sound that they make. We have lots of seagulls that live in Michigan. Seagulls. The seagull is a gray and white bird. It has long, strong wings. The seagull likes to eat fish and insects. It is a good fisherman. Now look at, here's some water down here. Can you guess what you need to draw? You need to draw some food for the seagulls to catch. What do they like to eat? If you go back up here, it tells you the seagull likes to eat fish and insects. And there's lots of birds and they like to live by the ocean because there's yummy fish to catch. So what kind of fish will you draw in that picture? Turn the page. Something you can do. The sea is full of many things. And here's some pictures of some things that we talked about. Under the sea, and the seagull lives above the sea. So look at, you have a fish. What do you have to do? That's right, you have to connect the dots to make the picture, and then you can color them. Beautiful colors. Maybe you could color them the same colors of fish that you've seen on some of your movies. Like flounder. All right, let's move across the page to page 84. And this is our last 2 pages of our book. God has a plan for everything that He has made. Children grow and seasons change, but our great God remains the same. And look at all the things that we've talked about. We've talked about you and how you have 5 senses to enjoy the world around you. We talked about the seasons. We talked about how seeds grow into plants and the plants provide food. Oh, there's another picture of seasons. We talked about some animals. Ooh, a hippo. What's that one? It's a whale. Where does the whale live? In the ocean. What are these? Tigers. Oh, and then you see up here the owl. All those things God created for you, and He has a plan for each part. Turn the page. Here's the very last page. Yes, all things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, and all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The world is full of the wonders that God made. How beautiful they are. And Psalm 92:5 is a verse in the Old Testament that says, "O Lord, how great are thy works." When you think back through our science book, can you think of some of the wonders that God made that we've enjoyed? What are some other things that you can think of maybe that we didn't talk about in our book? We didn't talk about the planets. We didn't really talk much about the sun and the moon and the stars. There's lots of things about that.